1, 2, 3, Bulldozer getting up. Here comes a chariot of fire, get down.
Where are you on that, Bulldozer? Okay, well, I got it set up, and it's ready to go. It's reading the mail. Chariots of Fire, Bulldozer, and land down under in Australia. 1, 2, 3, bootlegging these islands is reading the mail.
123. That dog popping one key, so maybe you can't hear him. 1, 2, 3. Bulldozer getting up. 1, 2, 3. Here comes your chariot of fire. Off on the low side, right there.
Where are you on that, D9? Well, I tell you what, Chariots of Fire was on the key longer, and he said he's working the low side. And I'm going to tell Chariots of Fire, you better put that cat in overdrive because D9 is so far ahead of you, I can't even explain it. 1, 2, 3 is gone.
1, 2, 3. I'm only about halfway there, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm not even close to halfway there. Hey, 1, 2, 3. I'm just doing my driver. 1, 2, 3 as I'm shifting gears downtown, Scrap City. Totally can't play. Not qualified. Not qualified. 1, 2, 3. Click.
Well, you both got off the key at the same time. But Chariots of Fire, you weren't even in his background. Hey, I want to try something. Hey, D9, just throw a DC. Just throw a DC this time, D9. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there ain't no DC station here, man. Hey, 1, 2, 3, I'm a PEP, that fucker. I'll put some reflect on him. You ain't got reflect like this. 1, 2, 3, I got down.
You got that right. You all by yourself. Just a solid dead key with no modulation is what I was trying to get you to do, D. D9, 1, 2, 3, working this 32 pill and it's cruising too. I'm gone.
Yeah, I know what you tried to say, but I don't know if this wheel's too good.
Wow. Good gracious alive. Hey, Chariots of Fire, man, I'm going to tell you to save your fire because OD9 just DC'd you, man. That cat maker got it working, that's for sure. D9, 1, 2, 3 said you're a rock and roll star in my book. I'm gone.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, how long do you want me to hang off this thing for? Hey, 1, 2, 3, I can walk away and go make a cup of coffee and a meal. Or a cup of DC all day long. 1, 2, 3. You know who? Land down under. I'm getting excited with this DC.
You got every reason in the world to be excited about what you just did. There ain't no doubt about it, man. It looked like about 9 to 10 dBs up here in the islands, that's for sure. D9, 1, 2, 3, right back in your receiver. You are a rock star. I'm gone.
Hey, 1, 4, 10. All right, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make the band. Because if I hang around too long, people don't enjoy their radios down under. They get all upset and start crying to me. So I'm going to stand by and be a good guy. And I'll let people waste some perfectly good conditions. Hey, 1, 2, 3. I'm standing by. I'm reading the mail. If you need me, call me. 1, 2, 3. Mad Max. Bulldozer in the clear. Click, click.
Where are you, Bulldozer? Boy, I tell you what, you got to find sound station. You did everything you set out to do, that's for sure. And you really got it going on. D9. Well, I'm hijacking these Hawaiian islands in Hawaiian style. 1, 2, 3. Bootlegging Mad Max's 32 pill station. And we're slow cruising this cat and bigger, that's for sure. Take care, D9. 1, 2, 3. Chicago. Chicago built, Chicago made. Got down.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. You come on Chariot, right? Are you ready? Chariot, right? Hey, 1, 2, 3. Chariot. Did you ready? Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Where are you, Chariots of Fire? I got you that time, man. Oh, D9, that cat got a bad station. You're wrestling with one of the strongest, that's for sure. Chariots of Fire, 1, 2, 3, Hawaiian style is gone.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, it's okay, man. It's all good, man. I got this thing out for a few days and I'll be back. I'll be back later. Get you out of 1, 2, 3. I've got you here in 58.
For all you Chariots of Fire, okay, well, I'm going to post this Watergate up on my YouTube. I normally don't do a whole lot of Watergates on my YouTube, but I'm going to post this Watergate up on my YouTube. 1, 2, 3, Chicago built. All one word on YouTube. Chariots of Fire, 1, 2, 3 said, I'm going to hate some dinner. It smells really good. 1, 2, 3 is gone. No, I'm gonna label it. I'm gonna label it Chariots of Fire and Bulldozer KeyDown. They're break.
It's not funny. Hey, 1, 2, 3.
You gotta be ashamed of yourself, D9. Go have yourself a glass of milk and some cookies, man, because you're the winner of this getting bigger. D9, Chariots of Fire, I'm going to have dinner. 1, 2, 3, Chicago. Hijacking these Hawaiian Islands. I'm gone.
Then you're hijacking my money out. Hey, 1, 2, 3. They can't write, man. Well, I'm reading them out. Just remember that. Like I said, make me home. I can. Hello?
And you're a bad man. D9, 1, 2, 3 is gone. Bye, Chariots. I'm 10-7. Ain't keen no more. Bye.
Okay, quick.